Hello everyone. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is one of the most unexpected bikes of the 2024 introduction season because of its excellent handling in contrast to its easygoing, stylish appearance. A custom workshop in the United States named Baxter Custom Works modifies motorcycles, including the Royal Enfield Shotgun 350. Although it looks like the Shotgun 650, the basis is the Meteor 350. Actually, both motorcycles follow the cruiser design. However, the builder stripped and customized the Meteor 350 to make it an A2-ready cruiser bike for new riders, changing various aspects of the bike in an attempt to achieve a vintage style similar to the Shotgun 650. The workshop crew acknowledged that they loved the way the Meteor 350 rode and looked, but they also wanted to create a bike that was a little more dystopian and had a touch of nostalgic charm. This is how this motorbike was born. They achieved this by starting with a donor Meteor bike and then dismantling it to start from scratch. Then they replaced the bike's wheels with the same hoops as the rather livelier Hunter 350 and added some wider tracker bars. Not only has the bike's appearance been altered, but the 19-inch front wheel has been replaced with a somewhat more traditional 17-inch item that ought to refine the handling a little. Next up was styling, where the exhaust and silencer from a black classic 350 were attached to improve the appearance and get rid of the antiquated vibe of the Meteor. Matched with a colorful fly screen from Royal Enfield, Diablo fork leg guards, and a black aluminum rear shock from YSS. The solitary seat, a few mirrors, and a somber matte black paint job complete it. From a technical standpoint, the engine seems to be a factory J-Series engine, which means you'll get a low-key and confident 20 horsepower or so, along with a classic single-cylinder audio. It should be noted that this isn't an official model, but it does demonstrate how the bike can be radically altered with minor adjustments, and we adore it. Will Royal Enfield embrace this kind of bike and produce an official model? Time will tell.